Ooh, gotcha. Fish on. Oh damn, sure fishing. It's low tide back here. Welcome, we just made a quick stop. Welcome to the channel, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. Let's see what's... Morning, morning! How you doing this morning? Yeah, sure fishing. So this is what's up. Just make a quick stop here to see if I can grab something possibly here, guys. I haven't stopped here in a while. It's just I saw somebody here and I said let me do a quick check-in, say hi, drop by real quick and keep it moving. I don't like this grass that's going on here, guys. It's crazy. So here goes my diver friend about to dive off in the water real quick. But before he goes out, I'll say hi real quick. That's what's up. Morning, morning, morning. How you guys been?
Good, you know.
Alright, everything alright? I just saw the car and I said let me stop, get a quick cast real quick while you guys are here.
Eh?
I said let me see the car. Sometimes I'm gonna stop and check on them.
Oh.
How go on? No good?
That one, yeah,
Long time we don't see you do.
I do about all the time, man. Let me see you all the time.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Are you just not see me? Alright, look a bit here. Now go down the line. Yeah, sure fishing. I caught a jack back here the other day. But sorry about that. There was a dog up here that was rushing Rasta last time. Scared the shit out of him. I don't know if that dog's probably tied up here or nothing, but let's see if we can get a few casts off these rocks. Getting bit by a fucking dog that was tied up here earlier. But let's not say we get into that. I know, hit that jack right here, off here. Right here looks so potentially good. See what we can pick up here this morning first. Water looks good right here. Definitely get that spoon lure attention that you deserve. Big up to Norris from the UK. Yeah, Norris brought me a couple of spoon lures, guys. Awesome fella. So that Jamaican shore fishing can continue making these awesome contents. Trying to cast around this boat. Real short casts. And see if I might pick up a 1 barra hanging out back here in the calm. Yo, watch your steps. Loose rocks. Yeah, these rocks are definitely falling out, so I gotta be careful. Holes through these things, you fall through rocks. I didn't even realize that. Gotta be careful. Don't fall through none of these big gaps in the rocks. Break my damn leg. That'll definitely not be a good vibe, guys. See a whole bunch of snappers hanging in here. Whole bunch of little snappers. Is that what we're looking for? Ain't it? Nothing. Very low tide. I can see damn reefs out there, guys. Diver's paradise day today. Water's crystal clear. Let me see if there's barra hanging out there. Nothing, all this grass. I'm not picking up no barra. I got one long jaw chase and nothing else, guys. But let me try to get a little further out. Yeah, good drop. Get a little speed run coming back. It's low tide, so I can't cast to the left or right. I just gotta, oh, I'm getting chased by barra. Barra chased it. Let's get it back out again. I see the barra chase it, guys. I'm gonna slow it down a bit. Seen a small barra chase it. Let me switch this lure off. I'm gonna put on a smaller spoon. Get his attention a bit. See if he's more like that. He might like something smaller, not want something so big, guys. So I tend to switch off at times. Ouch. So very sharp. This bucktail actually gives a little extra help. Alright, be on. Got the next one on. Big up to Norris again. UK. Definitely get that attention. Check this rock, make sure it's not moving. Right, guys. A little shorter cast with this, but it gives me a good glitter. It's new. Gives that effect that I wanted to give. Nothing, guys. Not getting any hits. Nothing. Like I said, guys, I just gotta watch my steps here so I don't hurt myself. And not step on any of these rocks. Don't break my ass. Gotta watch my step. Chased by small fish. Fish on, guys. Ooh, gotcha. Fish on. Fish on, guys. I'm Jamaican shore fishing. Got him, guys. Shore fishing. Fish on. Come on, baby boy. Nice shot, guys. Let's get him out of that water quick. Woohoo! Big jack. Shore fishing. That's it. Told you guys. Big jack this morning. That's what's up. Whoop whoop. Oh damn. That's what's up, guys. Got you, buddy. Where's my string at now? Yeah, I left my lip grip tool in the car. So, let's get him stringed. Whoop whoop. I gotta get that hook out. Hold on a second, shore fishing. Nice hook up this morning. Get my rod put down right there real quick. Let's get him taken care of. Bad boy. Spoon will got you, buddy. That's right. Good one, Jay. Whoop, whoop. That's it. Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, we got you. Alright guys, let's go. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Let's get this off. Yeah. Get this guy cleaned up. Fishing. Just got this guy all stringed up. Damn, he's gonna give me a hard time. I don't feel like doing this or going through this with him. Look at that, guys. Hold on, let me get a better view. That sun is kicking this way. So you guys can see this. Look at this. Whoop whoop. Shore fishing. Ooh. Booyah. That's what's up. get a better shot. Yeah, guys, this is what's up. Another one bites the dust. Alright, let's go. Keep it hunting. 2 more like this, we're good. Stop recording. Alright, guys. How did that happen?
Fishing.
Well, go on.
How you catch that? Oh, you catch a nice jack.
Just kill him, look a while, man. Right round about there.
Yeah.
So I take out my string, I left my grip tool in there, so look a while.
Yeah.
Ah, damn thing got caught up in there. So I'm gonna try to take it out and get some ice and throw up on them and continue down the line hunting, you know?
Yeah.
So we're eating.
No, man.
Search for them and find them and just knock them. Yeah. Less up still. Alright, one I wrote this a jack. You that now. Backyard. Alright guys, continue.